Yeah. Hi, my name is Miroslav Paciga. I am technical director of a Mediatek company, which is producing products under the name of Audio Pressbox. These products are dedicated to press conferences for distributing signal for journalists and recording. And we have some interesting feature. The basic description of the product we have on microphone or line input with phantom power and the gain control. Then we have high-pass selector, the high-pass filter, compressor and limiter, and test on oscillator for setting up the level, headphone for the control of the signal. Also we have a battery option. We can run more than 12 hours on batteries. Also on mains. And from the other side of the unit we have 16 outputs. They are separate, isolated by separate transformers, and we can switch microphone or line. This is the smallest unit from our production. We have more units which have similar functions, but more inputs or more outputs or different shape. They are rack mountable, there are standalone, we have expanders, we can distribute the signal through the room. Thank you very much for your attention.